So when I was younger, I used to use any product. It didn't really matter what the ingredients were. I didn't even look at the ingredients and didn't know what was in it. I just looked at kind of like, what does the product do? Does it serve my purpose? And I'd buy it and use it. And what I didn't realize at the time is that I was putting on, lathering, spraying all sorts of chemicals on me, which maybe in the short term didn't have any negative consequences, but in the long term would have negative consequences. So what I'm trying to do now is take out a lot of these awful products and switch it in with more natural products with all natural ingredients and no chemicals. And I've been on a hunt to find companies that provide products like this where no chemicals are in the product. And it's hard because a lot of companies do label themselves as all natural or organic or green or whatever, that they have some sort of plant in them that's good for you. And what's most important, I think, is to look at the actual ingredients and see what's in there, because that might be like a small, tiny bit of what is in the product, and the rest of the product might have a whole bunch of chemicals, but companies can sometimes use one little good thing that they have in their product and kind of blow that out of proportion and use that as what they use to market the product. So everyone just thinks that the entire product is good for you. So the search has been hard, but I think that I have been able to narrow it down to some companies who only use all natural ingredients in their products. So I'm very excited to see what came in the haul. And I'm excited for you all to join me as I unbox all these things, these packages, and see what we have in store. So today I've decided to talk about 3 Ps as we go through the products and the companies. The first thing that we're going to talk about is the packaging that it came in and the packaging that the products are in. Then we're going to talk about the product itself and what the ingredients are, and then we're going to talk about the price. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darshi, and on this channel I talk about intentional living, global learning, and culture. In today's video, I'm going to be going through my self-care products haul and reviewing the products that I've bought from a few different companies. The companies are Pong, Wild Jasmine, and Rocky Mountain Soap Company. So let's start with package number 1, and these are deodorants from a company called Pong. And already they started with, at Pong, we believe in reuse and recycling. So don't throw me away, recycle for another day. And it's in just a cardboard envelope. The deodorants aren't very big. So I ordered 3 of their spicy chai deodorants.
So let's go ahead and open the package.
We believe in reuse so much that we've even included an idea to reuse this envelope
Inside. Tip, use a letter opener or butter knife to open it cleanly. Alright, so we've got a little postcard. So it's good for the planet, good for you. Thank you for choosing Pong with our all-natural ingredients and plastic-free packaging.
Alright, so this is what their deodorant looks like.
I think there's it's either a dog fur or it's just the fuzz from this carpet. We shall never know now which one it was. So what's inside this package when I open it like this, and I will properly show you right now. Use this to cut it open.
So just to wrap up the packaging piece, this is actually now origami, which I can create, and it has instructions and a little design, and then I can put that in the recycling after. And then the actual deodorant itself has an aluminum can that it's in, and that's recyclable as well. So that's what they look like. Next, we are going to talk about the actual product itself. The ingredients are coconut oil, baking soda, corn, beeswax, and then orange, sweet, mandarin, clove bud, cardamom, and nutmeg essential oils. So that's all that is in there. That's what it looks like. Ooh. Now the last P is for price, and these came in at $8.95 Canadian. So I ordered 3 and my total came up to $28.82 including shipping, and I don't think there was any shipping costs for the 3 of them. Next up is the order from Wild Jasmine. So far it's in regular box with tape.
Postcard in here too. It's from Jasmine. It says Wild Jasmine. Starship, I hope you like the products. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you for your order and support of my small independent business. Cool. Okay. Alright. Okay. So we have styrofoam. I don't think is recyclable. We'll have to check with the City of Toronto.
So from Wild Jasmine, I ordered their lemon and lavender body lotion bar, their autumn breeze perfume balm, and soap bars and shampoo bars from them. So here are the products wrapped in paper. Alright, so the first thing, the body lotion bar, lemon and lavender body lotion bar. The Autumn Breeze perfume balm. These are the shampoo bars and the soap bars. So the packaging looks like it's all paper packaging for the lotion bar and the perfume balm and the soap bars as well, which is nice. The lotion bar, the ingredients are beeswax, coconut oil, apricot oil, grapeseed oil, wheat, germ oil, vitamin E, lemon oil, and lavender oil. That's it. For the perfume balm, the ingredients are coconut oil, jojoba seed oil, beeswax, lemon oil, grapefruit oil, lime oil, tangerine oil. Did I say citrus oil already? Ginger oil, vanilla, and vitamin E. So the different soaps have different ingredients, but I'll tell you just some of the ingredients that are in the general ingredients that are in there. Olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, beeswax, and then I think then it goes into the specific ingredients that are associated with each of the different smells. So these are the soaps, and these are the shampoo bars. This one is charcoal and tea tree bar soap. This one is cedarwood and pine bar soap. This one is lavender and indigo bar soap, lemon eucalyptus and litsea bar soap. So I ordered 5 of each, 5 bar soaps and 5 shampoos. And this one is the orange and anise bar soap. This one is the rosemary mint shampoo bar, the tea tree shampoo bar, the citrus chamomile shampoo bar, and another citrus chamomile. And the price for all the products, this one was $18. This one was $20. The 5 bar soaps were $30, and then the 5 shampoo bars were $30 as well. So that brought the total to $99.67 for all of these. Okay, last but not least, we have the package from Rocky Mountain Soap Company. So far we have a regular cardboard box, a postcard here as well. It says love naturally, Darshi, we want to say thank you. This one's handwritten as well. So from the Rocky Mountain Soap Company, I got their facial bars, their conditioner, shampoo, and then also a lip balm. So far, there's only the cardboard and this paper stuff, which is all recyclable. Here is the shampoo and the conditioner. I got the cedarwood and lime shampoo and then the orange and jasmine conditioner. This is the fresh fig lip tint balm, and this is a paper package. That's what it looks like. Ooh, okay, it's also very soft. It must be from sitting in the heat. And then we have the facial bars. It's the avocado facial bar. These also have a paper packaging. And I got 3 of these. Let's move on to the actual products themselves. So the ingredients for the shampoo are soap nut, coconut oil, amino acids, coconut oil, another type, molasses, lime peel oil, lavender oil, cedarwood oil, yang yang flower oil, or ylang ylang, cellulose, and Abyssinian seed oil. This is the conditioner. Ingredients are water, coconut oil again, brassica oil, Abyssinian oil, blood orange oil, jasmine oil, molasses, ylang ylang flower oil, cedarwood oil. And for the bar soaps, coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, sunflower oil, avocado oil, lavender oil, orange oil, and French green clay, plus vitamin E. And finally, the price of everything. So these are $5.95 each of the soap bars, and I got 3 of them. This is $25. This is $25 as well. And this one is normally $14, but it was on sale for $7. Alright guys, so that is it for my video on my clean products haul and review of the packaging, pricing, and product ingredients from the products from Pong, Wild Jasmine, and the Rocky Mountain Soap Company. I hope you've found this video valuable in your quest for the perfect all-natural products as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you have a comment, please drop it down below. If you have suggestions on really good companies that you'd like to share, then please drop that in the comments as well. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Hopefully in the future I can give a review on the actual products and how I felt like they worked. We'll see. Stay tuned for a video on that. Until next time, peace and love.